Hello guys, this is kind of like day 2 of digging a hole every day, but today I'm in my backyard and I'm just, hey, sorry, it's a dog. Anyways, we're going to be doing some stuff. I'm going to be building a fire. I'm kind of building a tree house. There's a big tree back here, can't really see it, but I'm making a tree house. I'm going to see what I can do. So this is kind of second day of digging a hole every day, and I will show you what I have. Okay, first, fingers in the way. Whoa. First, got a shovel, obviously. How else am I gonna dig a hole? Got a lighter to start the fire. Lastly, yes, my parents are letting me do this. I have a machete. This is for chopping trees, getting firewood, everything else. So, what I'm gonna do is, like right here, I'm gonna dig a hole. I'm gonna put some firewood in there, get some bark, everything else. I'm gonna make like a little wall so that the wind, once I do get the fire starting, it won't go out immediately. So, yeah. Sorry if I'm sniffling a lot, my allergies are killing me. Okay, I got a bunch of firewood. It's all right there. Got all this firewood already. I just need to dig the hole. I'll show you when it's done. Get it all started and stuff. This is the tree I'm gonna use. Some of the leaves kind of died, so I might have to use a different tree. But that's what I'm gonna use. So wish me luck. Alright, I'm chopping this tree down, trying to make some space. Also get some firewood. It's kind of stuck in the tree. It's hard to do it one-handed. There we go. It's a shovel. This is probably what I'm going to use. I'll show you once I get that figured out. See all those leaves up there? It's probably what I'm going to use for the wall. I'll show you once I get the hole dug up, and I'll see you then. Alright guys, it's been a while. I've been trying to chop down some of these trees. It's not working great. I kind of made a giant mess, as you can see right here. I'm going to try to fix it. I'm not sure how I will, but all I know is I need to get some firewood, need to get some stuff, get all the essentials, some firewood, obviously like I said, need shelter for the fire so that doesn't go out. I've gotten a bunch of leaves, there's some right here, put them in a wall. So this is what I've been doing for the past like 30 minutes. So yeah, I'll see you then. Alright, I just finished chopping all of that done, all of that gone. Most of it is gone. Now the tree house, there's actual leaves. It's a part of the tree house. Got the wall built for the fire, so that doesn't really go out as easily at least. Here's the hole, and I'm gonna cover this with dirt just in case all the leaves don't like actually do their job. And then all the firewood is still here. Put it in there. I'll get some dry leaves. I have the lighter right here. So once I get all that done, I'll come back, I'll show you. Sorry, there was stuff on the screen. Anyways, I'll see you then. I cleared out a bunch of space, as you can see over here. See all that? There's nothing there anymore compared to what there was earlier. Alright, see you then. Alright, move the angle, getting all this firewood, putting it in here. I'm gonna try to make like a wall. Well, first I have to start with the base. I'm gonna start putting all this firewood, the smaller bark, like this one works best. Put it as the base. And then for stuff like this, I'm gonna put it like on top, kind of like this. So then it'll hopefully make the wind also not hit it, so it'll make it like easier to start up and everything. Getting all the walls set up, got that base. See this bark? you scrape off like this part, then dry bark will come off, and that's really, really flammable. So I'm gonna see how well that works out. I'm gonna put my iPro down, not using it. Then stuff like this one be used for the border all around. I'll show you when I'm done with everything. Gotta get all my stuff, all firewood, dry leaves. See you then. Alright, I wouldn't say I'm done yet, but this is what I have. Hold on. This is what I have so far. Got all of this firewood in there. Got some twigs. Kind of got that bark border I was talking about. Sorry if the recording is going all crazy. My camera keeps switching from side to side. But that's all I have as of right now. I'm going to keep looking for bark, mainly for the border, just in case. I'm going to probably search for more dry leaves too, which they're everywhere, so it shouldn't be too hard. But yeah, again, I'll see you whenever I'm done with that. Bye. Alright, I'm done. I got all the borders. I'm going to use this, get this fire going. Really hard to get this started. While we're waiting for this, even though it's kind of cringy, don't forget to like and subscribe. I've been out here for already almost an hour, and my back and legs are in pain, and mainly my arms from swinging the machete. Just have to get the twigs started, and then everything should go in place. Ah, sunlight. Oh, come on. It's not working, it's just a bunch of smoke. Okay, I'm gonna try a new strategy. I'll come back and see if that works. Okay, bye. Alright, I'm back. I'm gonna sit down. My legs are tired. There we go. This is taking a really long time. If you've ever watched The Outdoor Boys, you would know this is not easy, like at all. I'm just kind of doing this for fun, kind of like he does. Sad that he retired about 3 months ago. Well, he didn't really retire, he just wanted to stop making videos, spend time with his family. Come on, come on. Once I get it started, I'm going to try to like cover it, see if that will help. Ow, it's hot. Oh, duh, it's fire. Oh, come on, come on, come on. No, it's just a bunch of smoke again. These dry leaves aren't really burning. They're just, well, they are burning. They're not really catching on fire, though. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Come on, come on, come on. Stay, 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 stay. Dang it. If the fire does get too out of control, don't worry. I have a bucket of dirt to suffocate it. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Burn, burn, burn on the twig. If it's not clear, I'm not using any gasoline. Come on, start spreading. Alright, I'm gonna keep adding more stuff See if that'll work. Sorry, there's more stuff on the screen. All it is doing is just smoking a bunch, so I'm going to see if I can find any more stuff. So, bye. Alright, I'm back. I'm going to see if I can get this going again. It's just smoking a bunch still. I added a lot more leaves, more twigs. Alright. Come on. Stay alive, stay alive. Stay alive. Okay. Here, if I push it more down. There we go. Stay alive. Alright, we got the fire going. I don't know how long it's going to stay alive, though. Alright. I'm just going to start from the bottom. Hopefully it rises and hits all the twigs and stuff. Yeah, it's just producing a bunch of smoke. I don't know if you can see it here. There we go. It's just producing a bunch of smoke. Here, I wonder if I do it more over on this side. Maybe this will work, because there's a bunch of more twigs and stuff over here. Man. Like I said, this is not easy. Come on, stay alive. Oh my gosh! No, I just moved all of it. This is not working. It's not according to plan. I just burned myself. It should be working. It's all dry. Nothing else. There, if I just throw more twigs. Okay, let's see if this works. Again, it's just producing a bunch of smoke. Oh, here we go, here we go. Come on, come on, come on. Man. I start by burning a twig. Alright. Move this all back in the middle. Sorry, it's taking a really long time. It's taking a long time for me. Can't do anything here. Oh my god. You know what? Screw this border. It's not working. It keeps falling apart. Oh, yes, 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 yes. No! It's kind of working. You see all the smoke? Alright, stay alive. Hey, Frank! Whew. Yeah, it's going, it's going. Alright, don't suffocate it, don't suffocate it. Add more, add more. Come on, come on, come on. Burn, 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 burn. Alright, add more. Add more. Add more. Come on, no, 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 no. Don't go out, don't go out. No! No! Ah, if I didn't burn myself. Alright, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna get a bunch more twigs and burned or dry leaves. I'm gonna put them all in a pile. I'm gonna stick the lighter underneath all of it because heat rises. So I'll see you then. Alright, I'm back. Got a whole lot more twigs. I'm going to see if this will work this time. See all that smoke? Oh. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Come on, come on, come on. Get going, get going. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Got my fire started. Holy crap, this has never happened before. Got myself a fire. Alright, come on, just get add to it, add to it. Don't suffocate, add to it. Light these twigs on fire. Put all this in there. Alright, I think I figured out the problem. These dry leaves, they keep burning too quickly. I need actual, like, twigs and stuff. There's a lot more over there. I'm gonna try to grab them, see if that'll work, plus the dry leaves. See you then. Alrighty, I'm back. It's already almost been 20 minutes of recording, and I'm only starting a fire, and I have so much more to do. Gotta get my tree house. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm still building, by the way. It's not done, like, at all. Come on, burn the twigs, burn the twigs. Burn the twigs! Why aren't you burning? Oh, is that burning the twigs? The twigs burning? I think the twigs are burning. I think it's working. Alright, stay alive, stay alive. Oh no, there's like nothing around it now. All the stuff, all the leaves burned away. No! Okay, well, at least I know what to do. Ow! At least I know what to do now. I'm gonna make sure there's a bunch of leaves in that area. A bunch more twigs right here. See all this? Great for fire. Still kind of hot. Ah! Okay. I have a lot more stuff now. Burn. Just so you're aware, I'm not a pyromaniac. This is called surviving nature. Come on, start burning the twigs. It's not burning anything. Oh, whoa. No, you're burning the wrong thing. That's the wrong thing. I don't know if you can see the fire or not, but it's going. It's going. I'm gonna keep holding it until it grows a whole lot. Boom! Fire is officially started. Come on, stay alive. I'm gonna burn the other side, see if that'll help. There we go! Got the fire! Ooh! You see that? I don't know if you can. I'm gonna keep adding more to it. Hopefully it'll help. Got the fire going. You can hear it crackling. Add more, add more. Running out of fuel. No, ow. I'm trying not to suffocate it without it not going out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is like the first time in my life I built a fire without a fire pit and without other things like gas, a lead, just a lighter. Stupid tick. Alright, we got the fire started. And I have absolutely no reason to start it. I just started it. Boom. There's the fire. It's not a whole lot, but it's a fire. So, yeah, that's kind of what you need to do. You just need to dig a hole. You need to get a bunch of dry stuff like dry leaves, twigs, and then start just holding it until it gets going. After this, I'm going to show you the treehouse. But I am going to try to keep this alive as long as I can. I'm going to show you if it gets bigger or not after a little bit. Alright, if you can't tell by how much smoke there is, it's most definitely gotten bigger. You can kind of see it at the top. See that right there? It's growing really high. I'm just going to keep on adding to it. More twigs, more leaves. When I'm done, stomp it out. Or like I said, got that pile of dirt. Just throw it in, suffocate it. Yeah, look at all that smoke. Get this out of here. You see all the smoke? I'm not calling for help. I'm just trying to build a fire. Alright, all things gotta come to an end. I think I'm gonna put this out. It's getting way too out of hand. Right when it starts to get good though, it's starting to burn more. A whole lot more. Can you see it at the top? Tippy top? Snap the crackle and the pop. It's amazing. As my dad says, this is what boys are meant to do. Build fires for absolutely no reason. Whew, I'm gonna put my eye pro on. Smoke's getting in my eyes. This is one of the best, longest videos of my entire life. If you want me to keep doing more videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if comments are turned on, which they probably won't be because I don't know how to turn them off and on. Anyways, don't forget to comment if you want me to do more, what you want me to do more. Like, you can give me ideas, anything else. Alright. Ooh, it's starting to spread a lot. Alright. You've seen the fire, know what it looks like. Say goodbye. Still going. I dug into a root. Alright, fire's gone. Suffocated it. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to take the machete with me. And I am going to show you what the treehouse looks like. First, the fire is not done. Still some smoke. Get rid of that. Okay, just stomped it out. Alright, I'm going to take off my iPro. I'm gonna take the machete. I like weapons. Alright. Sorry, my fingers was in the way like the textile. So, this is the big tree I was talking about. Excuse me. Up here. Hold on. Here, let me... This log is in the way. Hold on. Ow! Hit my butt. Anyways. Okay. Climb up. Like I said, this is not done, like at all. But right here, I'm trying to use all these logs, stuff to build it. It's really wobbly, so it does not work at all. But yeah, that's the tree house. There's a bunch of more logs, like down over there. I might try to grab them. There's a bunch of firewood I could have used, but I didn't, because I'm not a coward. Actually, I am. But anyways. Yeah, that's kind of the tree house. It's just this one floor. Like I said, it's not sturdy whatsoever. Need to make it way more sturdier. Need some support beams, because this is really, really wobbly. Here, let me get down. I gotta go put the machete away, and then I'll try to climb up, show you what it's like. Oh, alright, I put the machete away. This video has been a really long video, one of my longest, if not the longest. It's taken me a really long time to make and edit, so make sure you like and subscribe, please. And I am in a lot of danger with ticks, even though not that dangerous if you find them. But spiders, there's a lot of poisonous ones around here. And just a lot of other stuff. But what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna get more logs for the tree house. Add some flooring from the logs. That's what they're for. Anyways, I'm not gonna touch that. All of that is thorns. And it's going into the tree house. Great, I'm gonna have to chop it off. Anyways, I'm just gonna search around, try to find. Alright, that one's way too short. This is a great weapon though. Anyways, I'm just gonna try to find some more logs to put in the tree house. Ooh, this one's a perfect example. It's really long. It's got this V hook. That's what I like to call it. It's nice. Ooh, you can see my thumb. Anyways. Alright, how am I gonna do this? I'm trying to figure out a place to put you guys. I don't know where to put you. How about I don't put you? How about this is the end of the video? If you want me in episode 3 to keep building the tree house, well, technically it's episode 2. But yeah, I didn't really dig a hole except for the hole for the fire. So I'll tell you what I find in my shorts. Sorry, it keeps getting sawdust everywhere. So yeah, thank you for watching, and bye. That's it.